Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by evaluating the damage objectively. Is it a shallow scratch, a deep chip, or a bubble from moisture? Once identified, remove loose paint with a scraper and sand rough edges smooth so patching materials adhere. Mix putty or spackle to the right consistency. Apply thin layers into chips, pressing out air. Make sure to wear a mask and ventilate. Dust and fumes matter. While the filler dries, clean adjacent paint with a damp cloth so the repair will blend seamlessly later. Once the filler is cured, you shape it. Start sanding with coarser grit to remove excess, then feather with fine grit to match the wall plane. Take your time. Smooth transitions prevent visible repairs. After wiping dust away, apply a stain-blocking or bonding primer over the patch and any discolored surrounding paint so top-coat adhesion is uniform. Make sure to extend primer slightly beyond the repair to minimize sheen differences. Let primer dry completely according to product instructions before moving to color matching. You finish by matching and applying paint carefully. Test a small sample, then roll or brush thin coats, feathering edges outward to blend with the old finish. Avoid thick coats. Multiple thin layers dry evenly and reduce lap marks. Once top coat is set, remove tape and inspect under natural light. If the repair reads different, lightly scuff and apply a translucent glaze or reprime and repaint that section. If texture is off, use light stippling before paint next time to mimic surrounding texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.